Need a break from city life? Toyama is full of natural escapes where you can breathe, relax, and explore. Kansui Park, right near Toyama Station, is perfect for a peaceful walk. The iconic red bridge and Starbucks with mountain views are local favorites. Craving ocean air? Visit Amaharashi Coast, where on clear days you can see the Toyama Mountains rising above the sea. A rare view that feels almost surreal. Take the JR Himi line to Amaharashi Station and it is a 5-minute walk to the beach. Nature is everywhere here. Even a short trip out of town brings waterfalls, rice fields, and quiet beauty. One unforgettable stop is Shomyo Falls, Japan's tallest waterfall at 350 meters. It's most powerful from May to July, when snowmelt makes it roar down the cliffs. Sometimes you'll even see a second waterfall appear beside it, a rare twin-fall view you won't want to miss. Just a short walk brings you face to face with this natural wonder. Toyama blends modern life and nature in perfect balance. That's what makes it so easy to fall in love with. In the next video, we'll show you a few unusual and fun experiences in Toyama you probably didn't expect.